Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The design of the 2025 Corvette Luxury Motorhome is an intriguing, if unorthodox, fusion of the legacy of high-performance cars with the roomy comforts of a recreational vehicle. Even while Chevrolet does not already produce such a car, it raises the possibility of a custom design that would definitely attract notice and revolutionize the standards of luxury travel. Imagining this fictitious RV requires a shift from conventional RV design, perhaps taking cues from the aggressive style cues and streamlined, aerodynamic lines associated with the Corvette family. Even if they are scaled down and incorporated within a bigger vehicle architecture, the front fascia may feature iconic Corvette design elements like the sculpted hood and unique headlamp arrangement. In order to reduce the inherent weight of a motorhome while aiming for a certain level of aerodynamic efficiency, the body would probably be made of sophisticated, lightweight materials. It would also have incorporated spoilers and subtle curves that are reminiscent of the shape of a sports car. This luxury motorhome's chassis would need to be significantly engineered to support the added weight and size while preserving some of the Corvette's legendary handling abilities. A strong yet elegant powertrain, maybe a variation of Chevrolet's high-performance V8 engines, would supply enough torque for effortless driving and towing capabilities, while an independent suspension system, perhaps with variable damping, would be essential to guarantee a smooth ride. To guarantee stability and safety, strong structural reinforcement and sophisticated braking systems would be essential. The 2025 Corvette Luxury Motorhome's interior would surely put an emphasis on luxury and cutting-edge technology. Picture a driver's cabin that reflects the athletic yet ergonomic styling of the Corvette, complete with high-end leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and a cutting-edge multimedia system that works in unison with the controls of the automobile. The living area would be tastefully furnished with premium materials, such as handcrafted cabinets, luxurious carpets, and polished hardwood floors, an opulent bathroom with spa-like fixtures, a fully furnished gourmet kitchen with designer appliances, and a cozy sleeping space with fine bedding are a few examples of amenities. While state-of-the-art soundproofing and climate control would provide a calm and comfortable atmosphere, huge panoramic windows might provide stunning views. Additionally, the motorhome would smoothly incorporate state-of-the-art technologies. This might include sophisticated navigation and communication functions, as well as a full-featured smart home system that controls the lighting, temperature, and entertainment. Safety would be the top priority, with strong security measures and a variety of driver assistance technologies. Such a vehicle would have a very specialized market, appealing to affluent people who want a special fusion of opulent mobile living and high-performance aesthetics. It would serve as a focal point, representing a way of life that prioritizes both thrilling performance and unwavering comfort. The 2025 Corvette Luxury Motorhome is a powerful example of the possibilities for innovation and the blending of conventional automobile categories, even though it is still merely a hypothetical exercise. Its completion would surely signal a daring and unique foray into the world of high-end leisure automobiles.